Integrating Authorize Net Accept JS is a secure way to handle sensitive payment information without storing it on your server. To get started, you need to have an Authorize Net account and a basic understanding of web development. First, create an Accept.js account and obtain your API login ID and transaction key. These will be used to authenticate your requests to the Accept.js API. Next, include the Accept.js library in your web page by adding a script tag that points to the Accept.js URL. This library will handle the payment form and tokenization for you. Then create a payment form that collects the cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to set the form to post to a server-side script that will handle the payment tokenization. When the form is submitted, collect the payment information and use the Accept.js library to generate a payment token. This token represents the sensitive payment information and can be used to charge the customer's card without storing the card information on your server. On your server, create a script that accepts the payment token and uses it to create a transaction request to the Authorize Net API. This request will include the payment token along with the transaction amount and any other relevant information. Finally, handle the response from the Authorize Net API and update your database accordingly. If the transaction is approved, you can fulfill the customer's order, and if the transaction is declined, you can display an error message to the customer. Best practices for integrating Accept.js include using HTTPS to secure your payment form and validating user input to prevent common web attacks. You should also make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a smooth payment experience for your customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely integrate Authorize Net Accept.js into your website and start accepting payments today. This will help protect your customers' sensitive payment information and reduce your PCI compliance scope. In conclusion, integrating Authorize Net Accept.js is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of web development and an Authorize Net account. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can securely handle sensitive payment information and provide a smooth payment experience for your customers.